Welcome back to Math Easy, everyone. Today we are solving a MOEMs problem, Math Olympiad. I have 30 coins consisting of nickels and quarters. The total value of the coins is $4.10. How many of each kind do I have? Let's write down nickels and quarters first and write down their values. So a nickel is 5 cents. And you know that a quarter is 25 cents. So let's write down this information. The best way to do a word problem is to always write down the data that you have. Now we can assume that nickels are in X quantity and quarters are in Y quantity, and we can make an algebraic equation to solve this. Is there any other way? There is. If you cannot make an algebraic equation, then you can start by thinking that you have 30 nickels and 0 quarters. Find out the value of 30 nickels. Now this will give you 150 cents. The amount that you need is $4.10, which makes it 410 cents. So you will keep on changing the number of nickels and the number of quarters until you get to 410 cents. Now you can see that if I take 29 nickels and 1 quarter, then it just makes 170 cents. So you can keep on doing this until you reach a value which is a total of 410 cents. So you can keep on doing this. We'll get 410 cents. Or we can solve this equation by creating an algebraic equation. So we just assume that we have X amount of nickels. Each nickel is 5 cents. So X nickels would be 5X in total, and Y quarters would be 25Y in total, and the total of them would be 410 cents. That's what is given to us. And we also know that X plus Y equals to 30. The total of nickels and quarters is 30 coins. We have only 30 coins. So X plus Y, where X is the number of nickels and Y is the number of quarters, should be only 30. Now we have two equations. We have two variables. This is a system of equation. You can go ahead and use any method. I'm going to use substitution method here. So I will go ahead and use my second equation. Isolate my X, find the value of X in terms of Y. So X can be written as 30 minus Y. And now use the value of X in the first equation, where in place of X, I can substitute this with 30 minus Y plus 25Y equals to 410. Now you can see that we have an equation in one variable, which is Y. When you simplify this equation, you will get the value of Y, which will be Y equals to 260 divided by 20, or Y equals to 13. Using this information, you can put this value in the second equation, which was X plus Y equals to 30. And this will give you the value of X equals to 17. So we have 17 nickels and we have 13 quarters. Now if you want to check your work, go ahead and put the values of nickels and quarters in our first equation and see if it adds up to 410 cents. So when you do the calculation, you will see that it adds up to 410 cents, which is $4.10. If you like this video, don't forget